Hi everyone, welcome to this educational video. Today we're going to talk about how you can diagnose and treat problems with your houseplants on your own. Have you ever noticed your plant's leaves turning yellow, developing spots, or growing slower than usual? If so, stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to become your own plant doctor and keep your plants healthy and happy. Section 1. Common signs of plant problems. The first step in treating your plants is correctly diagnosing the issue. Just like humans, plants show symptoms when they're unwell. Here's some common signs to look out for. 1. Yellowing leaves. Could indicate overwatering, lack of light, nutrient deficiency, or even temperature stress. 2. Brown leaf tips. Often caused by low humidity, improper watering, or salt buildup in the soil. 3. Stunted or slow growth. May be due to insufficient light, poor soil quality, or the need for repotting. 4. Spots on leaves. A sign of fungal, bacterial diseases or pest infestations. 5. Wilting leaves. Could result from underwatering, overwatering, or root damage. Section 2. Diagnosing common plant problems. Now, let's dive deeper into these issues and learn how to diagnose them. 1. Improper watering. Soil that's too dry or too wet can harm your plant. How to diagnose? Stick your finger into the soil. If it's too dry or too wet, adjust your watering routine. 2. Insufficient light. Plants that don't get enough light will have pale leaves and weak growth. Now, how to diagnose? Move the plant to a brighter spot and observe changes. 3. Nutrient deficiency. Yellow or small leaves may indicate a lack of nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. How to diagnose? Use liquid or granular fertilizers and monitor improvements. 4. Pests and diseases. Tiny insects, webs, or black spots on leaves are signs of pests or diseases. How to diagnose? Inspect the undersides of leaves and stems with a magnifying glass or bright light. Section 3. Treating plant problems. Now that we've diagnosed the problems, let's see how to treat them. 1. Proper watering. Different plants have different water needs. Always check the soil before watering. For overwatered plants, let the soil dry out completely. For underwatered plants, water thoroughly and consistently. 2. Providing adequate light. Place light-loving plants near windows and use grow lights for shade-tolerant plants. If natural light is insufficient, consider using LED grow light. 3. Using the right fertilizer. Liquid or granular fertilizers can address nutrient deficiencies. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing. 4. Dealing with pests. Use a solution of water and mild soap, 1 teaspoon of liquid soap per liter of water to deter pests. For fungal diseases, apply an appropriate fungicide. Section 4. preventing plant problems. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some simple tips to avoid common plant problems. 1. Regular inspections. Check your plants weekly for pests and diseases. 2. Proper ventilation. Ensure good airflow to prevent fungal diseases. Repotting and soil. Repot your plants annually and refresh the soil to maintain nutrient levels. 4. Maintaining humidity. Use a humidifier or a pebble tray with water for humidity-loving plants. I hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident in caring for your houseplants. Remember, plants need love and attention just like we do. If you have any questions or tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and happy gardening.